Riya and Arav are decorating a gift box. They have shiny stars, colorful ribbons and little balls to stick on the box. They want to decorate every part of the box, not miss anything. But Arav stops and thinks, wait, how many faces does this box have? How many edges and how many corners? Let's explore the box carefully, step by step. This box is nothing but a cube. Let's start with the faces of the box. Faces are the outer parts, the parts that we can see and touch. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, a cube has 6 faces. Now let's count the edges. Edges are where the two faces meet. See these lines? These lines are called edges. Let's trace them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So, a cube has 12 edges. Now we will count the corners. Corners are the sharp pointy parts. In case of a cube, corners are where the edges meet. Let's count them one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So, there are 8 corners in a cube. So, a cube has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. Now, let's look at this shape. It's called a cuboid. It looks a bit different than a cube. The length of the sides are not equal all around like a cube. But let's think, does it have same number of faces? Yes. Does it have same number of edges? Yes. So, if you count carefully, a cuboid also has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. Now, let's explore a cone, like an ice cream cone. First, let's count the faces of a cone. If you observe it carefully, there is a curved surface that is one face of the cone and there is a flat surface that is another face of a cone. So, it has 2 faces. Now, look at the round boundary at the bottom. That is an edge. So, cone has one edge. And at the top, there is one sharp point. So, that is a corner. So, cone has one corner. So, 2 faces, one edge and one corner. Next, we look at a cylinder. Cylinder is just like a bottle. Let's break it down step by step. So, a cylinder has a flat surface at the top and another at the bottom, and around it there is one curved surface. So, that makes total 3 faces. Now, let's look at the round boundaries 1 and 2. These are the edges of a cylinder. So, there are 2 edges. Now, do you see any pointy corner? No. So, a cylinder has 0 corners. So, that means a cylinder has 3 faces, 2 edges and 0 corners. Now, we look at a sphere, just like a ball. It's completely round and there is just one smooth curved surface all around. So, it has one face. And if you see, there are no lines where faces meet. So, there are no edges. So, 0 edges. There are no pointy parts as well. So, no corners, 0 corners. So, a sphere has one face, 0 edges and 0 corners. Now, let's look at everything together. So, now we can clearly compare all the shapes. There are many shapes around us which follow these ideas. So, can you look around your home or classroom and find one thing that has 0 corners and one object that has only one edge?